Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you clearly on how to fix a PayPal permanent limitation and what you can realistically do in this situation. First, you need to understand that a permanent limitation means PayPal has decided to restrict your account due to policy violations, suspicious activity, or high-risk transactions. In most cases, this cannot be fully reversed, but there are still a few steps you should try. Start by logging into your PayPal account and checking the Resolution Center. Carefully review any messages or required documents. Sometimes submitting identity verification, proof of address, or business details can help you appeal the decision. Next, contact PayPal directly through chat or call. Explain your situation calmly and ask if your account can be reviewed again. In rare cases, they may reconsider if there was a misunderstanding. If the limitation remains, you will usually need to wait up to 180 days before withdrawing your remaining balance. Finally, avoid creating new accounts with the same details, as they may also get limited. And that's the honest way to deal with a permanently limited PayPal account. Subscribe the channel for more videos.